on this episode of Inside the Blueprint. A landmark of 1960s architecture becomes the country's first net zero hotel, with timeless charm embracing 21st century energy needs. We visit a major American business, bringing their customers' visions to life in steel. Then we travel to America's Southwest, where one global solar company is succeeding with best-in-class technology that provides clean energy to communities around the world. And no major construction project anywhere will succeed without heavy machinery maintained by a highly trained and reliable workforce. With our sights set on the future, let's go inside the blueprint. It's heralded as the first net zero hotel in the USA. A landmark mid-1960s corporate recently converted into a modern hotel, timeless charm embracing 21st century energy needs. Fully equipped with state-of-the-art technology, producing as much energy as it consumes. This is Net Zero with Style. Welcome to Hotel Marcel.
I'm the architect and developer and also owner of Hotel Marcel. And this is a redevelopment project of an important historic building designed by Marcel back in 1969. He's known for his ability to really create these sculptural forms. And you'll notice on the outside of the building the great light and shadow, which is quite dramatic sculpturally. The form of the building hovers above this two-story void. Interestingly, the design is actually also very practical because of the deep-set windows. It's very energy efficient. In the summer, when the sun is high in the sky, the deep-set windows help prevent solar gain. In the winter, when solar gain is valuable, it made this building a very ideal one to adapt and reuse for a sustainable hotel.
One of the biggest components in creating such a unique project for us here at Hotel Marcel was the actual recycling of the Pirelli building, as it's known. New builds have, over a lifespan of its building, create more emissions when it's being constructed than over its lifespan. So the recycling of this building plays a huge part in being net zero. The solar arrays that we have both in the parking area, 500 and 500 on the roof, allow us to create our own electricity here on site, meaning we don't need the grid. We're here solely on ourselves. The Heat 2.0 system is unique in that it creates 4 times more energy in heat for our domestic hot water as it uses in electricity. Our kitchen here at Hotel Marcel is the first of its kind. It does not use any fossil fuels at all.
And at Hotel Marcel's kitchen, steaming hot water is always just a few steps away.
From the cup of coffee to the eggs on your plate, those are made by the power of the sun through our solar arrays and then brought into our all-electric kitchen.
Engineers retrofitting, designers remodeling, both demanding best-in-class performance for the New Haven, Connecticut landmark. Leading-edge technology capable of meeting global net zero standards. This luxury hotel's hot water solutions choice: Mitsubishi Electric's Heat 2.0.
Mitsubishi Electric's Heat 2.0 really allows owners to future-proof their building. That's because it uses CO2 as the refrigerant medium. What CO2 does is it allows the system to tackle high hot water demands very efficiently, and it even has a global warming potential of 1. I'm standing here between Mitsubishi Electric's City Multi-VRF systems. And what makes this and the Heat 2.0 really next generation is that it's an intelligent system that works together for intelligent buildings. Here at Hotel Marcel, all of these systems work together and they're connected through a Mitsubishi Electric Diamond Control system and up to the cloud. What this allows for is Mitsubishi Electric's integration engineers to monitor the health and the performance of the building from anywhere at any time. When you take that and combine it with the ozone depletion potential of 0, really is a no-brainer. You may have heard the twist at the heart of the Heat 2.0, and what that's referring to is the Mitsubishi Electric patented twisted spiral gas cooler. What it is essentially is 3 refrigerant pipes wound around a water pipe that's twisted. It increases water turbulence and lowers pressure drop throughout the system. What that does is equals huge efficiency gains and makes a system like this a great application for buildings with high hot water demand.
A proven technology for many years worldwide, Heat2O provides 4 times more heat than the energy it consumes. This heat pump operates using CO2-based natural refrigerant with a global warming potential of only 1. Compare that to common refrigerants used today that have over 1,800 times the global warming potential of CO2. Heat2O is definitely a very environmentally friendly solution for domestic hot water in commercial buildings, and it doesn't use fossil fuels.
We want to be clear that the Heat2O is not just an extension of conventional hot water heating products in our market. We predict Heat2O can see efficiency of up to 4 times what a conventional system can provide for hot water. In today's market, the demand for electrification and decarbonization is very high, so it makes it a great fit for a lot of different applications.
Greater on-demand heat, cleaner, more sustainable energy, reduced operating costs, benefiting Heat2O users and our planet's precious ozone layer. A win-win.
With local governments mandating the elimination of fossil fuels in new buildings in places like New York City and other parts of the country, our solutions are perfectly suited to take us into this new all-electric future. With innovations like City Multi and our new Heat2O, we're giving building owners and developers an easy path to decarbonization and an easy way for them to adopt all-electric systems into their buildings.
Made the best products that we could find. They also were the only one that could provide an affordable commercial-scale domestic hot water heat pump system. And so it was very helpful to have sort of one-stop shopping for all those technologies. And to top it off, Mitsubishi was also able to provide our control system.
So if you're on the fence about what you should be doing with your heating and cooling system, as well as your domestic hot water, Heat2O really is a state-of-the-art program that'll help reduce the carbon footprint here around the globe, whether you're in an office building or in a hotel like we are here at Hotel Marcel.
Enjoy all the benefits of large-scale hot water use and lower operating costs while doing your part to help reduce North America's carbon footprint. Go to heat, the number 2, followed by the letter O.com. And as always, visit us at InsideTheBlueprint.com. The year 1765, the beginning of the first industrial revolution, one that transformed America from an agriculture to an industrial society. A massive shift had taken place. Coal and steam energy, new metal forging techniques, and transportation of goods by canal changed America's manufacturing landscape and the products to market supply chain. Fast forward to the 21st century and another massive shift. America's fourth industrial revolution, Industry 4.0. It's at TRUMPF's smart factory outside Chicago, where the fourth industrial revolution takes center stage. A real-world factory demonstrating the latest in fiber lasers, punch and welding equipment, and other leading-edge technology.
The previous industrial revolutions focus on concepts like the assembly line, higher throughput machines, and automation using robots. With the fourth industrial revolution, we took a step back and focused on the entire process. A process that connects various equipment, automation to run these equipment, and finally also transparency for the stakeholders who are involved in the manufacturing process. We would want to focus on connectivity, automation, and transparency, not just within the bounds of the factory, but also how it would apply to their suppliers and the end customers.
The first benefit of Industry 4.0 is really that the customer gets live data from his machine.
As an industrial manufacturing technology leader in machine tools and lasers, TRUMPF prides itself as a major force in helping create today's best-in-class industry process. Here at the company's Smart Factory, it's up close and personal for customers who witness firsthand fully connected, touchless fabrication. TRUMPF touchless fabrication results in greater market strength for its customers, providing healthier, more robust bottom lines.
Here at TRUMPF, we connect people, machines, software, and automation, and they all interact seamlessly together and show our customers what they can do in the fabrication industry today and tomorrow. Generally, we focus on automatic cutting, bending, and welding solutions. The backbone of our system is a storage system that sits in the middle of our shop floor that connects all of these machines and feeds them with raw material. TRUMPF's bending machines all have something in common, and that is they're easy to use, they're reliable, they're safe, and they will produce accurate and precise results from the first part. We also are able to offer a very wide range of machines. So we start with entry-level standalone press brakes, and we cover the whole spectrum up to our fully automatic robotic bending solutions that you can see here, for example, in our smart factory.
North American manufacturing companies of all sizes, including high-mix, low-volume applicators, are adopting Industry 4.0, embracing smart factory solutions and reaping the benefits.
The first misconception when it comes to smart factories and the use of smart factories, specifically in the fabrication industry, is really that those automation solutions are not usable for fabrication where we have low lot sizes. Now we are in this new stage where really we can use it for this new environment. Smart factory solutions are not only for OEMs, and that is always a misconception that's being mentioned because OEMs have very steady value streams and they have very plannable business. That's not true anymore. We now are in a new age where we also see very small companies investing into smart factories because they see the benefit. They see now of the software that is so flexible and of the programming of the machines that's so easy, and now automation that is programmable so easy. Now we're really reaching that stage where it's actually possible. And the next large misconception in the marketplace is that smart factories are not reliable, they are future state, and they're not proven yet. And that is absolutely wrong because we have so many smart factories already installed at our customers in the field.
To TRUMPF, it's very important that we don't leave our customers alone after the machines are installed. Therefore, we have a couple of things we focus on. So firstly, we offer innovative service subscription models to make sure that the customers get the technical service, maintenance, repairs that their equipment requires. So on the one side, we have applications experts that will work on part identification and getting the customers up and running with their single machines. In addition to that, we also have what we call system support. Those are highly qualified individuals that travel to our customers and really help them to run the system as a whole instead of just seeing it as single machines.
TRUMPF technology is truly creating the factory of tomorrow today.
TRUMPF offers a highly integrated platform of hardware and software solutions, starting from an automated storage system that receives raw material or flat sheets. These sheets are then transported to automatic laser cutting systems. These systems cut and stack the parts that can be transported to downstream operations. All these hardware systems are driven by a software backbone that is actually the brain behind the entire process. This software actually makes sure that all the orders are delivered to each operation at the right time, in the right priority, so that they can be manufactured for the end customer.
The TrueLaser Center 7030, of which we have two here at the Smart Factory, is really a completely reimagined laser cutting machine tool. We now have a machine that has fully reliable part separation, which allows us to really go into the world of autonomous laser cutting.
At TRUMPF, we organize our team into specialists who focus on delivering end-to-end smart factory solutions. In the initial stages, they are consultants who go into customer sites and actually analyze the requirement of our customers, run through simulations, and come up with concepts that would work for them. Once a customer places an order, they actually receive a dedicated project manager. This project manager is responsible for hand-holding the customer from this concept stage all the way up to final handoff to the customer.
For additional information on how your company can benefit from today's smart factory, visit TRUMPF.com. That's TRUMPF.com. And for the best in biz news and views, visit us at InsideTheBlueprint.com. New and rapidly developing energy resources. They're all around us. Sun, wind, water, And as the Net Zero 2050 decarbonization pathway becomes fully engaged, challenges, opportunities, and success are falling into place.
There's a sharp focus on climate change right now, and sustainability measures that any company can take is going to benefit our entire planet.
Inside the Blueprint, return to America's Southwest, discovering how one global solar company is not only succeeding with best-in-class technology, but how they're impacting and improving communities across the planet, including one we found in Austin, Texas.
We provide affordable housing to our Austin community. Our residents here are single adults and have been here for a couple of years. As you can see, this property is brand new. It's very important for us to make sure that we are reducing our carbon emissions, also reducing our energy costs. We really needed a solar product that was going to last and be durable, so we were really excited to be able to partner with Trina.
Trina Solar, an established leader in advancing the world's transition to a carbon-free future, worked hand-in-hand with a top-tier Texas-based energy systems installer.
My company is based in Central Texas. We are a developer, engineering, procurement, and construction company, an EPC. We're essentially design builder of commercial and industrial solar energy systems. We're actually here in Austin, Texas at Waterloo Terrace apartment complexes. We just finished installing a 250 kW ballasted solar system on top of the roof. We partnered with Trina Solar. They provided all the solar panels, the racking, the rapid shutdown devices, as well as the inverters. Trina did a really great job in terms of a design assist. They helped bridge the gap between our engineering team and the racking company engineering team. This roof is extremely challenging because of the amount of obstacles that are on the roof. We work quite a bit with Trina. We buy a lot of their Vertex solar panels. We're able to monitor those solar panels through an online portal that collects all the data in real time to show the customer how much the solar system produces on a daily basis, weekly, monthly, and throughout the whole entire year.
2022 represents Trina Solar's 25th year in business, so we are one of the industry leaders as far as module manufacturing goes. We have over 50 gigawatts of global capacity in module production and over 5+ gigawatts of supply for the US market. We own over 900 patents for our technology, and since our inception 25 years ago, we have over 21 world records for efficiency.
In a 2022 field data report, 5 of the leading global authorities on photovoltaic systems verified that Vertex 600-watt-plus modules have helped reduce a project's levelized cost of energy by 4.1%.
We have shipped over 100 gigawatts of modules worldwide. So that equivalent of 100 gigawatts is the equivalent of over 7 billion trees. Most of Trina Solar's modules have a 25-year warranty. So we're celebrating 25 years. The warranty is 25 years. That means Trina has been around for an entire warranty cycle. Now that's sustainability, and that's exciting.
Trina Solar is dedicated to corporate social responsibility, meaning that we're using less hazardous materials in our module manufacturing process. We've implemented a number of different practices to make sure that our materials are being ethically sourced and we're not using any forced labor in any part of our supply chain.
Our residents here get to enjoy the beautiful view of our solar panels and our solar system here, which has been a huge added benefit to them. They get to see that they are living in a green building on a daily basis, and that Foundation Communities really cares about them and their future.
Trina Solar, with its global commitment to being #1, brings a whole new meaning to the term value added.
Value added to our customers is so important to Trina Solar. That is why we provide a complete smart solution to our customers. We work with developers and EPCs, engineering, procurement, and construction companies that really value the time that they save, the funds that they save by being able to work directly with Trina for a complete solution that includes modules, racking, inverters that they know will all be compatible.
And a lot of our core competence comes from the partnerships that we have. with top-tier inverter companies and racking companies. We can also help our customers find sources of capital for their projects to help them be realized. We're making sure that our equipment, our modules, are matching up with our partners' equipment, inverters, racking, so that it's easy for our customers to implement these projects, make them less challenging, and hopefully at the end of the day, be a successful and profitable project. We're also really excited about a few vertical integrations that we're bringing to market too. First, we have Trina Tracker, a single-axis tracker product that we can utilize for projects 5 megawatts and above. We're also bringing to market Trina Storage. So these verticals represent new paths for us where we can have our own Trina branded projects.
Trina is a global supplier of solar panels, but they also supply us with other major components such as the racking system, the inverters, and the rapid shutdown. We really like working with them because they negotiate all that pricing with those other manufacturers. They handle all the logistics, they give us the credit line, and they act as a go-between our engineers and their engineers. They are an important part to our team.
Discover more of the many benefits working with Trina Solar provides, from its quality products to unparalleled service and innovation. Visit trinasolar.com. And as always, for the latest in biz news and views, visit us at insidetheblueprint.com. For nearly 100 years, companies have relied on machinery to help them build a better world. From construction to mining, landscaping to electric power generation, numerous industries rely on equipment to shape America and meet the nation's growing demand.
Caterpillar equipment has been extremely important in making progress possible around the world, and it serves many industries from agriculture to mining to road building. And one of the key differentiators for Caterpillar is such a broad product line that enables our customers in each one of those industries to be successful.
This equipment directly impacts livelihoods and lives, so keeping them in ship shape is paramount. But who keeps those engines running?
Carter Machinery is a Caterpillar dealer serving the Mid-Atlantic region of the U.S. We've actually been in business since 1928, so a long-standing history. And we've built quite a team. We have 2,500 team members, and of those 2,500 team members, about 1,250 are technicians that serve our customers every day.
One of Carter Machinery's top priorities is to create a highly trained and reliable workforce. These individuals will ultimately maintain, repair, rebuild, and support Caterpillar equipment.
We have a wealth of career development programs, including registered apprenticeship, management and sales and leadership trainee programs. We also offer a learning and development, individual learning plans, and continued growth for everybody here at Carter.
They understand people are their greatest strength and the key to success. A perfect example? Their nationally recognized and fully accredited apprenticeship program.
The apprenticeship program is 15 months. You get a journeyman's card that you could take anywhere within the company or outside of the company.
In addition, Carter Machinery and Caterpillar have partnered to create a world-class technician training, safety training, and operator training courses.
The Carter University team basically supports our organization with learning and development, and that supports our technician base through apprenticeship, through master technician, leadership, and sales development programs. In addition to providing learning and development for our employees, we also provide that for our customers, and that can be through our traditional base of operator, technician, and safety training, or through the new Carter Academy for construction-related trades, which offers non-degree programs for operator and technicians.
Equipment is constantly evolving, and Carter Machinery utilizes state-of-the-art technology to process data and help companies simplify connectivity.
Having connected equipment is so important because getting the right information in the right way to the right person within your business today is now more of a competitive advantage than it ever has been. I know where everything is. I know how many hours is on it. I know how long it's running. I know what it's doing on every job site at any given point in time. So now the power of that data, I can start turning it into information. So you can take that all the way through to advanced level stuff like knowing how much payload is out in the bucket in front of you. You can determine, I've got an operator who's maybe needs a little more training. It's all about making sure that I'm making better decisions with the information I can get my hands on. Data analysis is not only helping us, but also helping our customers, probably in two different ways. It helps us make sure that we are prepared to serve them with the right parts, a properly trained technician so they know what they're getting into. For our customer, it helps them be more productive. It helps them know where they need to potentially provide more training, and maybe they need more machines. But one of the things that makes us unique about having an in-house fluid analysis laboratory here at Carter is we marry that with, say, diagnostic codes coming from the machine. So if you have a transmission oil sample, you look at it and you've got an overheat situation, or you even have transmission abuse coming off of that machine, we now make a predictive, proactive recommendation to that customer so now they can make a decision before you have a catastrophic failure.
And by reskilling and upskilling individuals, Carter Machinery's technicians are capable of performing rebuilds seamlessly.
In Carter Machinery, we do reconditioning of a lot of components and machines. In this building right here you're looking at, we do a lot of engines, we do powertrain components. We basically give things new life.
Our heart for service starts with our team, and that's why we invest in their success just as much as we do our customers. Together, we're making a real impact and keeping the world moving forward.
For more information on how Carter Machinery is enabling the success of their customers and employees, visit cartermachinery.com. And of course, you can find us at insidetheblueprint.com. For more information on any of the products you saw today, please visit insidetheblueprint.com.